Hi, Room 11. So today I have an art activity, which my art activity is already made, and I just wanted to show you guys why I made the art activity. So for the activity, we're making a playground with ramps in the playground. So I made some stuff in my playground are not ramps. They're just things that are in the playground that are normally in the playground. But I wanted to show you guys the difference between a ramp and something that's not a ramp. So what's neat about my playground is that I can move it because it's on paper and turn it around, and you can see the back side. So on the back side of my art activity, I have a tunnel, and then I have two Play-Dohs holding up my swing right here. And then I have my playhouse with the slide coming down. And then I have a seesaw right here. So, to test out whether or not it's a ramp, I have two little dogs here. And so if either one of them are going up, if they go up, or if they're coming downwards, then that means that they're on a ramp. So let's try the tunnel. So here's the tunnel. If I put the blue dog through the tunnel, do you think it's gonna move? Let's see. Is he coming out of the tunnel? No, right? I have to push him through. It's not a ramp. He's not moving. He's just staying still. No movement. So then I have the swing right here. Let me show you. Let me turn it around. And here's the swing. So is he going up, or is he going down, or is he staying still? It looks like he's staying still, right? So that's not a ramp either. Then I'm going to turn my paper around and I'll move my slide. Then I have the seesaw. So what a seesaw is, one person comes on one end, and you'll see it'll go down once they go on. Then another person goes on the other end. The heavier person is going to be lower, and the lighter person will be higher, unless the lighter person jumps down, and then he puts the heavier person down. So this is a ramp. He can start up from high and slide down. He can climb. And it's just going to go down. It's a ramp. Now we have a playground right here. And can you guess what this is? It's a slide. So for the slide, for the playhouse, I used popsicle sticks and I taped it around to make it stand up. And then I used a plastic bottle and I cut a strip out of it and I covered it all in duct tape so it's a little stronger. Now, so for this, we're just going to put him to sit on the top, and if he slides down, that means it's a ramp. And he did. He slid down the slide, so that means it's a ramp. Let's try the blue dog. And he rolled down the ramp too. I hope you guys enjoyed my little playground art activity, and I hope you guys explore your art activities and see what are ramps in your playground. Thank you, and I can't wait to see your playgrounds. Bye.